Dok, sa palagay po ninyo, paano po maging productive ang ating older persons o yung tinatawag nating silver economy?
Yeah, actually, isa yan sa mga dapat pagtuunan ng pansin kasi ang mga older persons, kung titignan mo, marami pa rin sa kanila nagtatrabaho at maraming gusto pa rin magtrabaho beyond the mandatory age of retirement.
Dok,
Di ba?
senior na rin ako
Oh
pero
yeah,
dito
look at you,
nagtatrabaho
you're
pa.
productive. At marami sa inyong gano'n na sayang din na pwede mong i-reap yun to make no, a productive contribution to society, di
At saka
ba?
Dok, huwag natin isipin na matanda na tayo. Pwede pa
Yes.
tayo.
Yeah. Yan yung mindset din ng mga older person. Dapat tignan din nila na ang feeling nila kasi yung iba, oy, 60 na ako, senior na ako. Tapos yung perception nila sa sarili nila, hindi na sila productive and all that. But there should be a change of mindset na ang feeling mo dapat ay you just continue because you are able, no? So yun yung dapat i-introduce din natin na magandang programa, chair, no, sa NCSC na how do you make the older person realize that they are productive? Kasi sa totoo lang, based sa aming pag-aaral, ang laki ng value ng older persons na hindi lang natin binibilang. Dahil hindi natin binibilang how much they are caregivers for our grandchildren para makatrabaho yung mga anak nila. Pero hindi natin nakakount yung economic contribution na yon. Dahil hindi mo na naman sila sinesweldohan. They are also caring for, especially the older women, no, ang finding namin, they are the caregivers of the older men. They take care of the older, of their spouse, no? So,
So hanggang ngayon, nagtatrabaho pa sila sa
trabaho,
ating
yung
bansa,
trabaho
sa ating
yun
mga
kasi,
pamilya.
kasi who else? Otherwise, you have to get somebody to care for them, no? They all take care of their grandchildren. Ang laki ng value, they also volunteer in the churches, in the community.
Yes.
They do a lot of work. So, lahat ito dapat alam natin na malaki din ang value ng older persons sa society, and therefore we should appreciate them. So this will also lead to avoiding ageism, yung tingin mo na matanda na yan,
na.
so wala na yan silbi. So dapat yun. And it should start from the older persons themselves na tingin nila sa sarili nila there's still people who are productive and with dignity. No?
Kailangan ding magkaroon pa rin tayo ng confidence, no?
Yes,
That we're
yes.
still able
Yeah.
and can do anything that we want.
Yeah, that's true,
Yun.
Chair. Yeah.
Ano naman ang mensahe nyo sa ating mga senior citizens, maging sa mga ahensya nangangalaga sa sektor ng mga nakatatanda,
Yeah.
kagaya sa amin sa komisyon?
Yeah, of course. Congratulations. Kasi marami na tayong government agencies na talagang tumututok na sa mga issues ng older persons, including NCSC, DOH, DSWD, di ba? CPD, no? The former PAPCOM, yan. Sila, tinututukan nila yung issues at marami din tayong mga NGOs kaya ng KOSE who are doing a lot to improve the well-being of older persons. So, I think we should continue working and let's listen to the results of science, yung results ng research para lalo pa natin mapaganda at ma-improve pang serbisyo natin sa mga older persons. And for the older persons out there, including me, kasama po ako dyan.
Kasama na pala si Doc. Okay.
Let's continue to be engaged,
Yes.
no?
Yes.
Kung kaya pa natin, let's do it, no? Actually, may findings na ang social isolation, loneliness can lead to health problems. So, dapat, and socialization has a lot to do with it. So, dapat, kung pwede ka magtrabaho, mag-volunteer, let's do it. No?
Makipagkita lagi sa mga kaibigan.
Yes, socialize. I think that's one thing na
Kasama na doon ang chismisan at
yeah,
kwentuhan.
because that's part of socialization.
Yes.
And namanghanga yung aming Japanese sa funding kasi dito mataas ang health problems, marami tayong economic problems, but if you ask them, they're very satisfied with their life. And I think the reason is because we are very much connected with our families, with our friends, our neighbors, our community. So, yun, I think yung in terms of mental health ay very good ang Filipino older person.